Are you ready to take your business to the next level? These financial books are going to give you the tools to grow and to succeed. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, running a business can be tough, okay? Very tough, especially when it comes to managing your money. But the right books can teach you the financial skills that you need to make smart decisions and grow your business. So let's dive into the best financial books for business owners, okay? So listen, step one, learning the basics of business, okay? So basically, if you're just starting out, okay, books like Rich Dad's Guide to Investing by Robert Kiyosaki or The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, okay, and I'll put this all in the description what I'm saying so that I can make you understand how to manage your money in business better and making smart investments and growing your company. Step two is improving financial strategy. So basically, to dive deeper into the business finance, okay, check out Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I'll put his name in the description. Or Financial Intelligence for Entrepreneurs by Karen Berman and Joe Knight, okay? These books teach you how to create a strong financial plan and make your business more profitable. Step three, building long-term success. Okay, so if you want to set up your business for a long-term growth, read The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It will teach you how to make wise financial decisions that last. So now it's time to start taking action, start reading. If you found this helpful, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want. I love you.